So you landed on this video because you heard I was in profit again with Copy Pro Traders. You want to see for yourself. All right, let's go check it out. Hey, how you doing? My name's Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one. And hey, look, I'm not about to disappoint. You know, I told you guys to watch my journey when it comes to Copy Pro Trades, and I was going to document everything, you know, good, the bad, the ugly. And I'm happy to report there's been no ugly. Okay, so woo, we are in profit again, baby. And I am going to share with you today exactly where we're at. So currently, remember where I left you guys before? I believe I was, I don't even remember. I think $300 in profit, maybe $600 in profit. I don't know. I can't even keep up no more because today, guys, guess what? We are $1,200 in profit. Actually, over 1,200, but let's just say 1,200. Now, you guys know where we first started our journey at, right? Let me go look back because I wrote it down on my board. So we started with $5,400.54, and that was May 3rd. So May 3rd. Yep, May 3rd. And today is May 5th. So, no, excuse me. April 3rd. Okay, so April 3rd, May 5th. So let's just say like a month. So within a month's time, you know, we was able to jump up, whoop, all right, into major profit. So, I mean, how cool is that? Started out with 5,400. Now we at 6,600. Woo! Man, we at $1,200 profit, guys. All right, and as you can see, we still got some open trades here, okay? So we still got some, look, up 16%. Just this one right here, okay? And they close them out when they're ready. If you notice, everything's in the green with the exception of two. So if they want it, they can close out all these trades right now and boom, be in profit. But hey, I let the trades do what they do. I remember back when we first kind of was getting going, and I was messing with. I would see things like this, like 15% or up 16%, and I'll see it's in profit a little bit, and I'll be like, all right, take the trade. You know what I mean? Close it. And man, then I see this number go up dramatically even more. So I'm just like, oh man, like I should have just waited. You know what I mean? So now I just let the trade do what they do. I even tell my people, set and forget. No need to look. I'm not about to rock the boat. I'm not the expert here, right? So let the experts do what they do. So I don't close out anything no more because as you can see, everything's right there in black and white. And you can see this is my real Kraken account. Okay. So the money's in my exchange. I don't have to worry about, outsiders, with my money companies running off, within weeks or months after they close down. I don't have to worry about any of that. If this company was to ever close down, shut down, guess what? My money still stays safe in my account. And as you can see, the number goes up, it goes down, but it lets you know it's in real time. All right. So that's the beauty in this company because it's a true set and forget. Like you literally just set it, forget it. You know what I mean? You ain't got to do nothing. And then you can even come right here and look at our trade history and just look. All greens. Look at that. With the exception of trades that's open. These is open. So we're waiting for those to close. But if you see everything else, man, major profits. Look, 1066, 1094, 959, 1040. Like nice profits, nice gains. Slow and steady wins the race. And man, the thing I love about it, matter of fact, let's put these entries on all so you can just see everything. We'll just go straight down the page and see where we're at with this. So let's just count how many losses. No, look at this. How phenomenal is this? Look at these trades right here. Back to back. All green. Then you get this little red right here. Sorry, keep going. All green. Little red right here. Oh, this lets you know the traders know what they're doing. Like beyond what they're doing. Look at all them greens right there. Look at that. Then red. Matter of fact, you know what? This is so crazy. I'm gonna count out of. Okay, so we're looking at right here. We're looking at what, like 167 entries. So let's count how many ones lost out of 167. Let's see how many trades lost. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ain't nothing lost in a long time after that. 6. I wanted to bet it won't even be 10. 7. Look, oh my God. So out of 167 trades, 160 of them won and landed in the green. Come on. Like, just let that sink in, right? And then this doesn't even include what we've already earned as far as, referrals go and commissions. Like, I don't even, like I said, I don't even worry about that part because I don't want people to say, well, what are you making from the actual trades? You get those people, what are you making from the trades? We don't want to see what you made off of people. What you made off of people. But look at year to date, man, for the people that do care and they ain't got them hater bones, they like, look, I'm trying to get all the money, ain't trying to leave nothing on the table. So let's go see what that equates to, okay? So let's go to our Bitcoin calculator. And let's go see exactly how much I made so far year to date. So year to date, look at that. 11,155.37. I mean, that's a nice flip to go on top of that 1,200 that we just making on autopilot. And that's really, really passive income. Let's go see how much I have right now to cash out. See, it says available BTC to withdraw right now. That was my year to date. This is what I got right now. So let's go see where we're at. And this has just been steady, steady, steady growth. Look at this. 2,477 right now I can go cash out. And that doesn't include, you know what I love about this, unlike other, network marketing companies and like that, the difference in this is when I get paid, that doesn't necessarily mean that's all I'm getting paid. Okay, when I cash out here, this right here can easily change when Bitcoin goes up, right? So when Bitcoin starts to go up, like for instance, it goes up even just a little bit, this 6,000 could turn into 12,000. Okay, 12,000 can turn into 20,000. So that's what makes this even more phenomenal. That the amount of money that's been earned already, like let's say I earned 11,000, that 11,000 could turn to something astronomical in time. And then we still got open trades going. Oh man, it gets no better, right? So again, remember I was gonna track my whole growth. I'm gonna continue to do that. I'm gonna continue to share with you guys, okay, and let you see exactly, what this is all about and exactly how you can earn a passive income. See, this is the good thing. A lot of people have a hard time recruiting. A lot of people have a hard time, selling. A lot of people even have a hard time sharing. No problem. You ain't got to do none of the above. You can literally set this up in minutes, not hours, and then walk away. I tell people all the time, even look in your account, just walk away and come back in a couple of days, come back in a couple of weeks, come back in a couple of months. But no matter what, you're going to be like, when you do, you're going to give them the home alone because you're going to be sitting so pretty. And when, oh man, like I said, it can get no better than this. And then if you happen to recruit, if you happen to share, if you happen to give it to others and let them benefit as well like you, then look at the potential that you can possibly have, with how much that you can actually make and what you can actually pull off and accomplish with playing both sides of the table, getting yourself your referrals money and getting yourself your trade money. All right. So I'm going to continue to share with you guys and keep you guys on this journey with me. So far, so great. I'm loving it. All right. So if you like what you see, you say, look, I'm ready to get busy. I'm ready to join. I've been missing out already. I've been watching Kawan just go up, 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 up. And I've just been sitting on the sideline just waiting. Let me see if it's legit. Let me see if you're really going to make some money outside of recruiting. Let me see what the traders really do. Well, I just showed you 167 trades and not even 10 of those trades lost. We had 160 wins, 7 losses. Can't win them all, but that's just like winning them all. You know what I mean? So we over 90%, baby. So look, if you like what you see, hit the link below, cptelite.com, and what are you waiting for? Let's go. Or I know sometimes, we got a million questions. I got questions, Kawan. I got questions. Well, guess what? You got questions. I got answers. So call me 619-306-9453. I answer any questions that you have. Love to answer. Let's get you going. Let me put you at bay, because I'm telling you, once you really get a part of this, you're going to be loving it and thanking me every day and every chance you get. All right. So I appreciate you for rocking with me today and checking out what I have to offer. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. That way you get notified when I do these type of videos, and you don't have to keep missing out. All right, or jumping in late. Also, I'm gonna always keep you posted. So hey, I just keeps on going up. I'm going to keep on putting these videos up. All right. So just stay tuned. If you're still on the sidelines, you need to see just a little bit more, then just keep on watching. All right. I appreciate you. I see you on the next video. Until then, Have a blessed day.